Hi there, students. Very often, my students ask me a question. Why do we learn the words, we learn the new vocabulary, and we don't remember the new vocabulary? While the vocabulary we learned many years ago is still as fresh as a cucumber. So, I've been thinking about that, and a couple of minutes ago, I came up with a revelation. Well, just when probably that's the first reason got into my mind is that if we learn the new words in the past, we learn the words like what? To drink, to eat, to think, to smile. These are words more basic. These are words that are used every day. Even if you don't use them, you think about them. You hear them in the native language. So it's easy to recognize those words. We eat every day, we drink every day, and that's why we remember to drink and eat more easily than the word environment, for example, or space exploration. Because not every day we think about environment and we think about space exploration. That's quite naturally that the word environment and exploration are not that readily accessed as the other words, the words from everyday life. So I think that's the first reason. The other reason is that with learning the language, we grow up, we age with the language, we become older, and our mind, our brain becomes older. Well, actually it's not older, but it's stuffed up with things which have nothing to do with the language. Like every day I have to have breakfast. I think what I'm going to have for breakfast. Every day I drive my car. I have to think how I'm going to drive my car. I'm going to speak with my friends, so I'm thinking about what to say when I speak with my friends. In other words, we're stressed. Sometimes we have problems that we have to solve, and certainly these problems have nothing to do with the words we're learning. In other words, actually our brain, our memory is stuffed up with things which have nothing to do with the vocabulary. And there is less space for the vocabulary to be used, to be stored, and later to be used. Our brain is like, actually, it's a short-term memory and a long-term memory. The short-term memory is probably used as a random access memory of the computer. Like, well, actually, you know that if the computer has very little space to store information, the memory it becomes impeded. Well, actually, the computer starts working more slowly. So we have to empty a certain amount of the files. We have to delete the files to expand the memory of the computer, and the computer will work faster. So the same thing is with our memory. We have to get rid of certain stuff that we don't need to remember the words more successfully and to use the words more successfully. Because if we have less information in our mind, we will be more successfully using the vocabulary we've learned. So, a recommendation is do sports, take some alcohol in moderation, and don't stuff your head with the things you don't need to keep. Take it easy and carry on. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.